Hi friends, this is Krishna Hare. Welcome to my channel. Today topic real numbers, first chapter, first exercise, second question. Okay. So what is the second question? Use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 where q is shows integers. Okay. Now coming to solve this question. So let a is an odd positive integer. So here asking any positive odd integer. So here also let a is an odd positive integer. We think. So let us now apply division algorithm. So division algorithm with a and b. So b equal to 6 here. So why I am putting this? So first of all, division algorithm we know now. So a is equal to b cube plus r. So here b equal to 6. Why already question given. Okay. Then r equal to how much? So r equal to we know 0 less than r equal to less than b. What is the b? 6. 6. So the possible. So possible remainders are, so possible remainders are 0 to less than 6. So what are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Do you understand? So let AB can be 6 cube comma 6 cube plus 1 comma 6 cube plus 2 and 6 cube plus 3 comma 6 cube plus 4 and 6 cube plus 5 where q is the quotient. So q is the quotient. Now but here we thinking a is a odd positive integer. So but taken as an odd positive integer. So the a is taken as an odd positive integer. It means it is not an even number. So it is not a 2n form. So even numbers how it is 2 into n form. This line is there. It is an even number. So it is a is an odd number. It means it is not an even number. So for but a cannot be 6 cube and 6 cube plus 2 and 6 cube plus 4. Why? Because 6 cube means 2 into 3 cube. 6 cube plus 1 plus 2 equal to 2 into 3 cube plus 1. It means 2 into n form. 2 into n form. And 6 cube plus 4 equal to 2 into 3 cube plus 2. So 2 into n form. So these are even number. It is not an odd number. So cannot be a 6 cube plus 6 cube plus 2 and 6 cube plus 4. Then remaining terms, what is that? 6 cube plus 1 and 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5 are odd numbers. So therefore any odd positive integers is of the form. How it is? 6 cube plus 1 comma 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 over. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, don't forget to click the bell icon and please share it.